control of strength, persistence in precision, pursuit of efficiency. From ancient manual manufacturing to modern intelligent manufacturing, the machinery industry has undergone countless changes and innovations. Wenzhou WANXING Machinery Co., Limited was established in Pingyang County, Zhejiang Province in 2006. Its factory covers an area of more than 13,000 square meters, providing sufficient site guarantee for production research and development. WANXING Machinery is a company focusing on the research, development and manufacturing of various special equipment on automotive radiator production lines, condenser production lines, WANXING Machinery is equipped with advanced processing equipment, gantry milling workshop, machining center workshop, lathe workshop, grinder workshop, etc. which together constitute the powerful production capacity of the workshop. It provides a strong guarantee for the manufacture of various complex and sophisticated equipment accessories, so that WANXING Machinery can continue to climb to the top in the field of machinery manufacturing and create excellent quality. Since its establishment, WANXING Machinery has always adhered to the business principles of talent-oriented and integrity-based, providing customers with a full range of solutions, so that customers can always maintain competitiveness in the fierce market competition and achieve rapid and stable development of enterprises. In order to develop products that truly meet customer needs, we continuously optimize core technologies to provide customers with the best service and the best return on investment. WANXING Machinery has achieved brilliant results in many production line special equipment and has established long-term and stable cooperation with Polar, KINGA, Mine, Tongxi, Toya, Valiant, Reach, AI, International, and other companies. At the same time, we continue to expand foreign markets and sell equipment to Russia, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Thailand, Malaysia, Pakistan, Egypt, Turkey, India, and other countries, driving the engine of efficient production, illuminating the way forward for the development of the industry. Wenzhou WANXING Machinery Co., Limited continues to write a brilliant chapter with its excellent quality, innovative technology, and firm belief.